When your network fails, production doesn't just slow down, it stops. Across manufacturing and engineering environments, IT systems rarely stand still. They evolve over time, shaped by new machines, new tools, and changing demands. But without a clear structure, that growth creates complexity. Aging systems, disconnected platforms, and limited visibility become part of the day-to-day. And that's where the real risk begins. Manufacturers are increasingly targeted, not just because of the value they produce, but because of the systems they rely on. When operations are connected but not properly secured, the impact is immediate. Downtime, delays, missed deadlines, lost revenue. The difference is control. A stable network that supports production without interruption. Secure systems that protect every connection. And a seamless flow between engineering and the factory floor so everything works as it should. If you're unsure where your risks are or how resilient your environment really is, now is the time to find out. Download the guide to explore the challenges in more detail, or book a diagnostic call to assess your current setup and identify what needs attention.